Hello, Chris here. It is Saturday, March 14th. Just wanted to give a quick update on coronavirus from Alaska, otherwise known as COVID-19. So I reported last week a little bit's changed. I think obviously globally and nationally in the United States, things have changed. A number of states have declared a state of emergency, including Alaska. Alaska has seen its first case of coronavirus. I believe it was a cargo plane pilot was identified and diagnosed as having it, and so my understanding he's at a hospital in Anchorage. I've noticed fewer cars on the streets a little bit. That's not scientific. We did talk to a person that works at a coffee shop that sells lunch. They said their business was down about 50%, which is significant, and that's measurable. They can look at their daily receipts and tell that. I've seen a couple face masks around. As I'm driving by cars, I see people inside cars wearing face masks, so that's new. And I'm not sure if that's effective or not, or even needed if you're inside your car, if you need a face mask. So that's different. I know a number of organizations are starting to put some plans in place and to execute those plans. A lot of work from home policies being implemented. Some are being slowly rolled out. So I think a lot of organizations, at least here in South Central, I live in Wasilla but work out of Anchorage. A lot of organizations are saying stay at home. If you don't need to come in, if you can be effective and work from home, work from home. And that's interesting. I think I work in technology, and so it starts to stress test some of the systems and capabilities that you may have within your organization. Are you able to get things done that you need to get done? And so, despite the grim nature of what we face, it's an opportunity to test out some of the capabilities that you've had and whether or not those are going to be as effective as you'd like them to be. So I can tell you here with my family, my kids' school has extended spring break an extra week. I think I saw a text while I was looking over her shoulder at her phone that indicated it might even go an extra week. So I'll give another update probably next week on what the status is. But the Anchorage School District did the same. They've extended spring break an extra week. For the school districts aren't extending the break for staff necessarily, so they do have staff coming in running some business functions, payroll, procurements, normal business duties. But all the students are off. No longer will be going to school. A lot of the school activities have been canceled. School travel has been canceled, I think, through the end of April. So with more news to come as this progresses. So the big question for Alaskans is will we see the same trend that the other states are seeing as you have case numbers picking up, or will we somehow, through preventive measures, be able to reduce the counts that they're seeing in other locations? So only time will tell. I'd say wash your hands, stay safe. If you're feeling sick, stay at home, stay in bed. Do your best to isolate yourself from others. Otherwise, take care. We'll see you next time. Thanks.